it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today guys, we're going to be looking at day number 11 in the Birchbox advent calendar. So in today's box we have a mini version of the Pixi Glow Tonic. I was really excited to get this. It's a fantastic brand and I've heard so many good things about this Glow Tonic despite not trying it actually myself. So this is just a little mini version. However, you know, you can buy it in a full size. In here then we get 40 mils and in a full size we would get 250 mils, which would cost you £18 at retail price. Now, I don't know how much that makes this, but you know, I think it's a decent little amount to try it. I've also seen that Aldi do a knockoff of this, kind of a very good dupe apparently, and that will cost you £3.99. So it's worth looking out for if you're in your local Aldi. So this says it's Glow Tonic, an exfoliating toner lotion, and it's got 5% glycolic acid in it. So it says it gently exfoliates and brightens, revealing healthy glowing skin. For all skin types, it's alcohol-free, dermatologist tested. You can use AM and PM or as needed after cleansing. Apply with a cotton pad, avoiding the eye area. As this is a natural formula, botanicals may settle, so the colour may vary. This does not affect the potency of the product, but shake well. So you give it a little shake, pop it on a cotton pad and wipe it over your face. Simple, simple, simple. And apparently it yields great results. So excited to try that one. A fantastic brand and a lovely little product. It comes in a super handy travel size bottle really, doesn't it? So fantastic. So guys, remember to hit that like button if you've enjoyed this video and give me a huge thumbs up, and to subscribe if you haven't already, because it'd be fantastic to have you here. And there's a video every day on the advent calendar unboxings and a couple of my usual videos as well. So until my next video, I will see you very soon. Bye bye.